Hello everyone. For today's video tutorial, we will learn how to use WordPress plugins for website customization. So this is our WordPress. When we say plugin is basically a piece of software that plugs into your WordPress site. Plugins can add new functionality or extend existing functionality on your site, allowing you to create virtually any kind of website from e-commerce stores to portfolios to directory sites. In WordPress, we have different plugins. So we will just scroll down and we can see plugins. So we will click here. Now you can see this is some example of the plugins that is included in WordPress. You have a lot of plugins that you can use depending on the website that you want to customize. We also have some free plugins that you can use. And also some guides on how we can use our plugins.